What happens is that we use this to charge EV auxiliary battery. Simply this is the work that gets done by this. Whenever you have a big vehicle, it is two-way type, meaning it charges as well as discharges. Right? We had opened the DC-DC converter that day, and you would have found many components inside it. But in our two-wheelers, there are only this much components in it. This device in my hand helps in getting converted, like your high voltage supply will come from here, right? Your high voltage supply will come from both of these. Then it will convert and come out of these two. This is your high voltage cable. In red color, black becomes negative, isn't it? These yellow and black are your outputs. Black is common here. So this gets converted here. Then your auxiliary equipment can run directly. While if you have four-wheel car and load is more there, then we do not run directly from DC-DC converter in four-wheeler. What we do is we use that to directly charge the battery. So the voltage you get there is 14.4 volts. This is in case of four-wheeler. While in this case output will be only 12 volts, even if we take variable into consideration. Max it can go to 12.2 volts. This negligible deviation works anyway, because losses occurs here as well. Similar to DC-DC converter, we have AC-DC converter. Where is AC-DC converter used? It is used in hybrid vehicles. In hybrid vehicles, we have alternators. Alternator output is 14.4 volts used in ICE, making 14.4 volts into 72 volts for bigger batteries. Does that come mainly in hybrid? Yes, in majority AC-DC is used in hybrid. We use that because your battery is of smaller capacity. Your AC supply will come from alternator. So it will go straight to AC-DC converter. From there DC comes out, which is then used to charge the battery. It will go directly to charge your battery because you don't have onboard charger in hybrid. With this your battery gets charged. Alternator to AC-DC converter. AC voltage first come through charger, then via AC-DC converter it is converted to DC voltage.
इकडून तुमचा एसी प्युअर एसी येणार आहे एसी अनप्युअर एसी तो प्युअर राहणार एसी थोडी अनप्युअर इकडून जाते इनपुटला आउटपुटला ती इनप्युअर तर किती 72 वोल्ट झालाय कन्वर्ट इथं चेक करून आपण 72 होतं इथं कसं होतं ना directly 72 I think my directly
which is single phase AC voltage unit. These three wires are connected to the charger plug.
Voltage.
Then AC voltage flow to the DC-DC converter.
आता तुमची इंडक्टर कॉइल आहे इथे स्टेप डाऊन होतं डीसी म्हणजे आय थिंक बघू आता याच्यात परफेक्ट डीसी होतो का
AC voltage conversion to DC voltage is required for battery charging.
कारण की याच्यात आहे ना याच्यात पण एक सर्किट आहे
Here you can see a circuit for DC converter.
डीसी तुमच्या इकडे आहे डीसीचं सेक्शन इकडे आहे तुमचं सगळं पण याच्या इकडे आहे हे इथून तुमचं सेक्शन पाडेल पण तुमची
Green cable is for earthing.
हा तुमचा न्यूट्रल असेल
Black cable is for neutral and white cable for main. This is the DC-DC converter internal circuit.
AC.
हे सगळं आउटसाइड इंडिया
All the components assembled here on one board. The big one is the inductor. In vertical, we have parallel connection, and in horizontal direction, we have series connection. Parallel connection increases the battery current capacity, while series increases the battery voltage. Okay, these three are in parallel. All cells connected by nickel strip with spot welding machine.
है ना चला आता घ्या
कनेक्ट होणार हे तीन स्ट्रिप्स असे कनेक्ट होणार तिन्ही बाजूनी